Now I want you to imagine what if you can earn up to $400 per day by simply typing names online. I mean, how cool is that? Here is exactly how it works. Now when you type one word or one name, for example David, and boom, you make money. And when you type another name, say for example Jennifer, and boom, you get paid once again. This is such an incredible opportunity. And here is exactly how much money you can make. When you type one page of name, you can earn $15. Type 5 pages, you can earn $75. And when you type 20 pages a day, you can earn $300. And the best thing is there's no limit to this. You can type as much as you want and you can earn as much money as you want as well. You can do this on your mobile phone or you can do this on your computer. This opportunity is 100% free and available worldwide. Make sure you watch until the end so that you don't miss out on the sign up process because it's actually very tricky and most people they do it wrongly. Also, I'll be giving you another bonus website to earn triple more money compared to other people. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Let's get into the video. You can see here when we use the calculator of this website, we can actually estimate how much money you can actually earn from this brand new opportunity. Look closely at this rate per word, which means how much money you can get paid per word that you type. In this case, actually 5 cents in US dollars. Now usually one page will have around 300 words. For example, this typing name project right here, this is actually page number 1, and right here this one is page 2 and also page number 3. And each of these pages you can actually get paid by simply typing names. Now let me show you this page where you can actually get paid 15 US dollars, and the total word count is actually 300 words. And when you scroll down below, you can see that this is actually one word. Now I scroll down below, you can see here there are a total of 300 names, meaning 300 words, and you can earn 15 US dollars per page by just simply typing name on this website. This is actually a very good earning opportunity. Take a look at this, 15 US dollars per page, and we can receive even up to 20 pages a day, which means you can easily earn up to $300 or even $400 per day by just simply typing names on this website. First of all, I want you to come over to this website, which is talentdesire.com. Earn money online from home without investing a dime. And this opportunity is absolutely free. You don't need any investment and you don't need any money to get started. When you scroll down below, you can actually see they offer different opportunities to work from home, including online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, online paid surveys, and there are many different jobs that you can do. But right on this video, we're going to focus on online typing job because this is one of the simplest things that you can do on this website and requires no experience or tech skill at all. You can see here the online typing job. I want you to go ahead and click on this red button right here to read more. Now take a look at this. You can earn US dollars, $1,300, $500, all the way up to $27,000 per year. It's actually a very good earning opportunity for people from any countries in the world. Now for the joining fees, you can actually see here the registration is absolutely free. There's no hidden cost before or after the joining, and we don't ask about investment to you on any stage. This is an absolutely free and worldwide opportunity. Now right over here you can see depending on what level you are, you'll get paid different amount of rate ranging from beginners all the way up to experts. Now in just a moment I'll give you some special bonus tip that can help you to earn a higher rate. You can see here even if you are a complete beginner, you can actually get paid on an expert level, and I'll show you the strategy in just a moment, and no other people know about this. So right now I'll show you the first bonus tip that can help you to earn a higher rate by simply typing names online. Now I want you to go on to ratatype.com. Basically this is the homepage of this website where you can take a free typing test, and I want you to click on this yellow button right here, and then you're gonna come over to this page where you can actually start typing using a phone or using a computer. I want you to go ahead and click on this start typing now. Click on this yellow button, and the reason why I want you to do this speed typing test is because this website Ratatype, they actually offer you a free certificate, as you can see here. Now you actually get this certificate for absolutely free, and I'll show you all the steps in this video on how to get it. And the reason why you need a typing certificate is because that will boost your income and your earning rates per page. If you're gonna make $15 for every single page that you type, make sure you get this certificate. And this is the ultimate secret, because even if you are completely new, if you have this certificate to prove to them that you can actually type and you can get accepted much more quicker, you can get more high paying tasks and unlimited jobs opportunity. And with that being said, that's allowed you to get paid up to $300 or even $400 per day by simply typing names. So So once again, it's very important for you to keep watching to see exactly how to get this free certificate and how to complete your application on talentdesire.com. Now you can see when you start typing on this website, they'll start calculating how many words you can type per minute and also your accuracy. Now accuracy meaning whether or not do you type any spelling mistake or any typing mistake. You can see here your accuracy should be between 98% up to 99.99%, and the higher your accuracy, the more money you can make. Once again, by doing a typing test and taking a certificate on this website, you can actually show them your typing speed and also your accuracy, and that's gonna give you the higher payout rate. Real quick, let me show you a real life example of doing this test right now and how to get your certificate for absolutely free in less than 5 minutes. You can see here once I finish typing, they're gonna show me my typing speed right here, which is 103.8 words per minute, and my accuracy is 99.4%. This is my actual results. So if your speed is slower or if your accuracy is lower than 98%, don't worry about that, because you can actually go back to this website ratatype.com and you can actually retake the typing test again for 100% free until you get a higher speed or a higher accuracy. Now once you get the results that you are satisfied with, you can actually scroll down below here and you can sign up for a free account on Ratatype by clicking on this link right here. You can actually create a free account by putting in your name, your email address and your password, and go ahead and click on this I agree to the terms and condition and click on this yellow sign up button. You can see here I put in my name and my email address and my password, and I click on this one right here and click on this button. And once I sign up for a free account, I'll come on and log in into my Ratatype account. You can just close this tab right here. You can see my name right here on my dashboard, and this is my results, my typing speed and also my accuracy. Now when you scroll down below here, you can see that actually this is my certificate. Just click on my certificate and I'll come over to this page. You can see here awarded to Branson for typing in English with speed of 104 words per minute and accuracy of 99.4%, and they even show you the signature from ratatype.com to verify that this certificate is real. This certificate right here is actually very good for you and you can get paid a much higher rate. I want you to keep watching because I'll show you how to sign up, how to register and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com, and you can start receiving typing job and project just like this one right here, and you can earn $15 over and over again. Now when you scroll down below here, you can actually click on this print button right here. Don't worry, you can actually do this on your computer, you can do this on your mobile phone as well. You just have to save the image of your certificate or save as a PDF file. Just click on this save button. You can see here this is my actual certificate that I get from Ratatype website for absolutely free. Once you get this certificate, you can begin to apply for this job. So we're gonna go over to talentdesire.com and I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website and I want you to click on this red button, apply now, and then you come over to this page where you can start applying your job. Now please pay very close attention and watch this video until the end because the registration page here is actually very hidden on this website. You might actually get lost and fail to find the registration page if you don't watch this part. Now once you land on this page, just scroll down below and you can see here select an application. Click on this red link. After that, you're gonna come over to this page where you can see online application form for work at home jobs. I want you to scroll down below and look for this small red link right here. Fill in your details to apply and work with us. As you can see here, the registration page is actually very hidden on this website. If you cannot find this registration page, make sure you re-watch the video, or you can bookmark or save this video to your playlist and re-watch this video once again. When you scroll down below this page, you can actually see that they're gonna fill in your personal information. The first thing that you have to do is to tick on this and accept the privacy policy, and then put in your first name, your last name, and also your email address, your contact numbers, and also your country. Click on this down arrow. You can see they're accepting people from all over the world, including countries like India, Philippines, Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, Pakistan, and many more different countries. Now I want you to comment down below and let me know what is your country and where are you coming from so that I can create more videos for your region in my future videos. Moving on to the next step, basically about your professional information. Very important section and most people do it wrongly on this step. Now I want you to type in the job title section, which is professional data entry specialist. Very important for you to type the job title like this one. And then what time is the best for you? Click on this down arrow here and you can actually select whatever time that you want, but I want you to choose on all day, and that's gonna give you more opportunities and more jobs, meaning that you can earn more money online. And also your best way to receive your earnings. Click on this down arrow here and you can actually choose from PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, or Skrill. So for me personally, I'll choose on PayPal. Now when you scroll down below your current profession status, you can choose one of these status right here. So in this case, I just choose on self-employed. And once you fill out all the details, you can actually click on this yes, I've read and accept the above statement, and also your signature. You just have to put in your full name right here and click on this I'm not a robot, and after that just click on this submit button. As simple as that. And once you're accepted, you can begin receiving the typing name jobs just like this. As you can see here, one page you can earn 15 US dollars for just 300 words, and this is just one page. And also the second page you can see here, another $15, and this is page number 3, another $15, and you can earn $15 over and over again for every single page that you type. But make sure you submit your job on time to keep receiving more and more new daily jobs.
So thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. As always, I'll have a couple of playlists up here of different ways that you can make money online. One of them will be an affiliate marketing playlist so you can get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. I'll have an awesome video coming your way tomorrow of different ways that you can make money online. Until then, you guys take care and goodbye.